This 2021 Rockwood GEO PRO 21BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Rockwood is 21 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleeps 5, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, external shower, leveling jacks, smoke detector, microwave, stovetop burner, awning, spare tire kit, refrigerator, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Rockwood GEO PRO 21BH is 3,513 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.